Welcome to our complete IP CCTV camera installation guide. In this video, we will show you how to install and configure an IP-based security camera system from start to finish. Whether you are a homeowner, business owner, or security technician, this step-by-step tutorial will help you set up your surveillance system professionally. What you will learn? IP camera installation, process network cable connection, PoE power over Ethernet, set up NVR configuration camera, IP address configuration, live view, and remote access setup, recording and storage setting, troubleshooting common issues. Step 1. Mounting the IP camera. Begin by selecting the ideal location for your IP camera. Ensure the camera covers the desired area and is protected from direct weather exposure if installed outdoors. Secure the mounting bracket firmly and adjust the camera angle for optimal coverage. Step 2. Connecting network and power. Connect the camera using a Cat6 or Cat5e Ethernet cable. If your camera supports PoE, connect it directly to a PoE switch or PoE-enabled NVR. Otherwise, connect the camera to a power adapter and your network router. Step 3. Discovering the camera on the network. Use the manufacturer's software or your NVR's camera search feature to locate the camera on the network. Assign a static IP address to ensure stable connectivity and easier management. Step 4. Adding the camera to the NVR. Access your network video recorder NVR interface and add the camera using its IP address. Enter the camera credentials and verify that the live video feed appears correctly. Step 5. Recording configuration. Configure recording settings according to your requirements. You can enable continuous recording, motion detection recording, or scheduled recording.
Add.
Step 6. Mobile app and remote viewing setup. Install the camera manufacturer's mobile application and scan the device QR code. Configure remote access to monitor your cameras anytime and anywhere using your smartphone or computer. Step 7. Testing and optimization. Test all camera views, night vision functionality, motion detection alerts, and recording playback. Fine-tune image quality, frame rate, and storage settings for the best performance. Conclusion: your IP CCTV camera system is now successfully installed and configured. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more security system installation guides and technical tutorials.